Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. Are you spending your valuable time in manually numbering the elements in Revit? Not anymore. Today I will show you a free Revit plugin which you can use to automate the element numbering in Revit. Let's get started. First I'll show you how to use the add-in and then I'll show you how to download it for free from the Autodesk App Store. After installation, you will see JO tools written over here. Inside it, you will have element renumber. Let us see our example number 1. I want to name these columns as C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, etc. How to do it? Just go to JO tools and go to element renumber. Click on it. Here select the type. So my element type will be structural column. You can see other types here as well. Then current number will be 1. Ignore this character sequence. Zero padding means if you want, you can apply zero padding to your numbers and it will add zeros over here like this. Currently, I don't want any. And then number prefix, I will write C and hyphen. Okay. And the parameter will be column number. Now what I'll do, I'll just simply click on the first column. So when I click on the first column, now the next number is 2. Click on the second column, the next number is 3. Like this, I'll click on all the columns one by one. And now my job is done. I'll press the escape key and now in the parameters, I can see the column number as C1, C2, C3. Similarly, this will be C9 and this one will be C6. Now let's see example number 2. I want to name these rooms like classroom 1, classroom 2, classroom 3 and so and so. How to do it? Let's see. Again, I'll go to JO tools and I'll go to element renumber. From here, now this time I will select the room name and current number will be 1 and my number prefix will be classroom and a hyphen. Okay. Now this time the parameter name will be name and simply I will click on these rooms one by one. Now I'll click on escape. Now if you see these rooms, you can see the name over here, classroom 1, classroom 2, classroom 3, classroom 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, I'll just tag the rooms and show you. Tag all, room tag, and from here I'll select name only and click on OK. You can see classroom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try the third example. So in the third example, we have these parking spaces. So parking spaces are in hundreds of numbers and it is very tedious to number them manually. As you can see, the mark value for these parking numbers is empty as of now. We will try to populate it with our tool. Again, I'll go to the add-in. This time I will not be able to see the parking type over here. No issues, I will select this particular type, any element. From here, I will write 1, ignore the character sequence, ignore the padding, and the number prefix can be P. And this time the parameter will be mark. Now I'll select each parking one by one, just simple clicks, and you are good to go. Once done, press the escape key. Now you can see in the mark value, we have the parking numbers P1, P2, P3, P4. Similarly, the last parking number is P16. One more good thing about this add-in is that you can also allow duplicate values. So if you want the numbers to repeat, you can allow them as well. Now let me show you how you can easily install this add-in from the Autodesk App Store. In your Revit itself, you will see this symbol. Just click on it and you will be directed to the Autodesk App Store. Once in the App Store, in the search bar, you have to type element renumbering and this particular add-in will appear. When you click on it, a window like this will open and you can download it free from here. Of course, you will need your Autodesk login ID. Once done, you can install it and automate your element numbering in Revit and improve your workflow. So guys, this is the easiest add-in that I found, which is very light in size also and which is very effective also. If you have any other free add-ins in mind, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next one.